Ever feel like your body is just stuck, bloated, sluggish, and weighed down? What if one simple habit before bed could change that? Meet ClenzT, the overnight digestive reset that helps you wake up feeling lighter, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. Modern life exposes us to toxins. Food, stress, and the environment all take a toll on your digestion. This buildup can leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, and uncomfortable. That's where ClenzT comes in. With a powerful blend of natural ingredients like senna leaf, milk thistle, and dandelion, ClenzT gently supports your body's detoxification process while you sleep. And with Live International's exclusive cell activation technology, ClenzT is designed to maximize absorption and effectiveness, helping your body reset faster and more efficiently. Unlike extreme cleanses, ClenzT is gentle and effective, designed to restore balance and improve gut health without discomfort. With ClenzT, you'll experience less bloating, better digestion, regularity, a lighter, more energized feeling every morning. Prefer a warm, relaxing option? Just open a ClenzT capsule, mix it into hot water with lemon, and enjoy a comforting detox tea before bed. Just one easy habit before bed, and you'll wake up feeling new. Take the first step toward a healthier, lighter you. Try ClenzT today and wake up refreshed, because your body deserves a fresh start.